So today we are modeling and solving for products of fractions. We're going to model some expressions and then we're going to look at some word problems. So let's look at this first model. It's a number line and the directions say solve and run an expression that represents the model. Well, if you look, I know it's a bit blurry, but our number line is cut up into thirds, okay? So if we remember that that multiplication is just repeated addition, well, how many times are we adding 1/3 to together? So let's count. Let me get my draw tool and we're going to count how many times we have added 1/3 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have added 1/3 together 9 times. So we could say 9 times 1/3 is, okay, so remember, how do we multiply a whole number times a fraction? We need to turn our whole number into a fraction by putting the fraction line and then putting a 1 underneath and then multiplying across. 9 times 1 is 9. And 1 times 3 is 3. Well, we have an improper fraction, which means there's at least one whole number in here. Well, let's look. When we added 1/3 together 3 times, we got 3/3, or 1 whole. So here's 1 whole. If we did it another time, when we reached 6/2, that would be 2 wholes. And finally, this last time here, when we did it 9 total times, we got 3 wholes. So here's my number 1, my number 2, and number 3. So this is the same as 3 wholes. So 9 times 1/3 is 3. If we scroll down, here's another model. And this is real interesting. Look, what is 7/8 of 8? Okay, so how are we going to model that? We're here I have 8 wholes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I shade in 7/8 of all of my holes, let's see what we get. So I'm going to highlight. And each piece is broken into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts. So let's highlight 7 of those. So if we highlighted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's all but 1. Can make it a little thicker. Well, how many 8ths do we have? If we highlighted 7 out of 8 in each row, we would have 7 here, 7 in each of these rows. Right? So it's kind of the same as saying 7 times 8, because I have 7 8ths highlighted 8 times. So I would have, according to my model, 56 eighths highlighted. Let's see if we get the same number if we multiply. Well, I need to turn my 8 into a fraction by putting a fraction line and a 1 underneath. 7 times 8 is 56. And 8 times 1 is 8. So yes, we get the same thing. So how can we figure out how many holes this is? Well, what we could do is what we did yesterday is fill up all of our holes by taking away from the last one and inserting them into the end of here. So we're going to take away this one and highlight. Take away this one and highlight. Take away, highlight. Take away, highlight. Take away, highlight. We have a couple more times to do it. Okay, we have created now all of these holes, and I don't have any fractions left over. So let's count how many holes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 56/8 is the same as 7 holes.